Hi friends, welcome to Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam. So let's start. Our first word is manifest, which means show clearly. Next, vexatious, which means annoying. Next, punitive, which means meant as punishment. Next, conscientious, which means careful and responsible. Next, inflate, which means increase artificially. Next, siphon, which means illegal transfer resources. Next, fuge, which means cheat or avoid truth. Next, egregious, which means extremely bad. Next, irrelevant, which means not related. Next, malpractice, which means wrong or illegal professional act. Next, clunky, which means awkward or slow. Next, loophole, which means gap in rules. Next, authenticate, which means prove genuine. Next, perverse, which means wrong in a shocking way. Next, fraudulent, which means false or cheating. Next, induce, which means persuade or cause. Next, foster, which means encourage growth. Next, norm, which means standard rule. Next, diligently, which means with hard work. And last, baffle, which means confuse. Thank you for learning.